This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, the 22nd of September. I'm Michael Groff. The first day of fall today, the autumnal equinox happening at 1:04 this afternoon, and it's going to feel pretty fall-like around here with temperatures well below average, sunny skies, breezy conditions, highs in the 80s this weekend. Get out and enjoy it. It's going to be perfect. We will start a warming trend next week, however. How warm will temperatures get? Do we have any rain chances? And are we done with the 100-degree temperatures for this season? A lot of questions. Let's see if we can answer some of them right now as we look outside this morning at 6:05 a.m. We've got some high clouds in the valley right now, 74 degrees to start the day at Sky Harbor, dew points at 43, humidity 33%, the winds are light, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area this morning, pretty pleasant out there, upper 60s in places like Buckeye. Most of us, however, are starting the day in the 70s. Here's the water vapor satellite view, and nice, cold, deep upper trough out here in the west, ridging in the east. And the watch warning map, look at this. Frost and freeze advisories, parts of Nevada, southern Oregon, northern California, winter weather advisories. The snowflakes continue to fly, Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming. Dense fog advisories in East Texas. And tropical storm warning still going on in the upper Atlantic coast off of New England there with post-tropical cyclone Jose. It has been downgraded. And still going to bring some tropical storm force winds and some rough surf and some rain for the next few days as that storm is just not going anywhere. As far as severe weather goes today, there is a slight risk of severe storms, parts of North Dakota, Minnesota to include Grafton, Grand Forks, Bemidji. Otherwise, a marginal risk for much of the western plains states. And here is the latest on Maria. Now pulling away from the island of Hispaniola, affecting the Turks and Caicos this morning. Maximum sustained winds still 125 miles per hour, making it a Category 3 system. And a turn toward the north and ultimately toward the northeast is expected as Maria tracks between the east coast of the United States and Bermuda. That's the official track from the Hurricane Center. Tropical models seem to be in pretty good agreement here. One model tries to hook it back toward the Carolina coast, but for the most part, all the models take it out to sea. The GFS ensemble, there's 21 members here. Pretty good agreement as well in bringing it out to sea and not affecting anyone, perhaps the Canadian Maritimes, but by that point, the system will be very weak. All right, let's talk about our weather in more detail. We'll look at the models right now. Here's the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. Look at this nice cold trough out here in the west, and that's going to bring temperatures way down today. Should have highs in the upper 80s to about 90 with mostly sunny skies, breezy conditions this afternoon, just like yesterday, but should be just a nice day overall. Tonight, clear and much cooler. You're going to notice tonight, even in the evening, it's going to be very pleasant. By tomorrow morning, lows upper 50s to middle 60s here in the valley. Tomorrow, sunny, a nice cool day for late September. Highs only 84 to 87. Should be perfect with sunny skies. Saturday night, Sunday morning, again, lows mid-50s to mid-60s, and then on Sunday, highs again mid and upper 80s. Upper 80s to about 90 on Monday with sunny skies. We'll say 91 to 94 on Tuesday, 92 to 95 on Wednesday. Thursday could see some breezy conditions picking up as a surface front drops south through the plain states, and a little backdoor front makes its way through New Mexico and northwest Mexico, while we have high pressure over the Great Basin, so that could set up a tighter pressure gradient. But overall, high temperatures will still be about the mid-90s. So you know we're going to rebound temperature-wise. It is still September here in Phoenix, so cool weather doesn't last very long. Let's go out to a week from today. This is Friday, the 29th of September. There is some model disagreement here. The European does not show nearly as strong a ridge and, in fact, is starting to develop troughing out here by late next week. But, well, for now, we'll go with the idea of ridging north of the state. This is a 591 ridge depicted here, and that would mean temperatures at or above normal, highs approaching 100 degrees again, with sunny skies and dry weather. Here's Saturday, the 30th, and again, broad ridging north of Arizona. Highs still above normal, and here's the end of the forecast period. This is Sunday, the 1st of October, and temperatures would still be at or above normal levels with dry conditions continuing. But again, I'll remind you that there is a lot of uncertainty here regarding this scenario. For now, though, looks like a dry forecast will remain. Let's go to the temperatures coming off of the GFS ensemble. Highs in the 80s, lows in the 60s this weekend. Perfect. Yes, we will warm it up again next week. There's no doubt about that. Just how warm we get, I'm not sure. This doesn't show highs above 100, but we might still sneak one in before the season is over. I'm not ready to declare it done just yet. And that does it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. Thanks as always so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, have a great weekend, everybody.